and gentlemen, give it up for Frankie, Rochelle and Mollie from the Saturday! Right, ladies! Girls, it's lovely to have you on the show. How are you?
Good, thank you. Thank you for having us.
It's a pleasure.
You're very smart. You've shown us up a bit.
Well, you know what I mean? No, we haven't shown you up.
Is this the new thing? You always wear matching clothes now?
Yeah. Well, it's easy. We're just trying it out. I'm going to say we're meant to interview you guys.
So how are you feeling about today? How's it going?
It's going really well.
Right, actually.
You're even crossing your legs the same.
Do you know? Oh, no! Hey, listen, guys. What did you think of Una's performance as the Fulminator?
She was a bit hardcore.
She was, wasn't she? She got Ian right in the face. Properly in the face.
Yeah, she doesn't mess about.
She's practiced that, I think.
Yeah. Has she got a Fulminator machine at home?
I think so.
It's something that she's always wanted to do.
I could tell. Go on then, girls, let's talk about the new album. Tell us about it.
We've actually written half of it this time, so it feels like our little baby. It's so precious to us.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to know what we've been going through the last few months, pick up the album.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. How long has it taken you then to write it? Because if you've written quite a lot of the songs on it, it must take quite a while.
It's
That was
taken
last year, didn't it?
Last year, wow.
It's taken quite a while.
Really?
Yeah, and you're doing your first big arena tour in December. That's good. Yeah, it's called All Fired Up, yeah?
Are you going to come?
Free tickets?
Yeah.
Don't have to buy. Right.
Sounds like, yeah, we're both like...
Yeah, we'll be there.
Yeah, oh yeah, we'll
No,
make
you
an
have to
effort.
come in matching black dresses and coloured tights like the...
Like us.
I've done that before. I've done that before. They wouldn't let me in.
Yeah. Saturday night. Saturday night.
But yeah, we're really excited. Obviously, we had two sold-out theatre tours, so for us, this is like...
The biggie.
You know, this is it. Like, we feel like we've made it, but it's kind of like we don't believe it until we're there. So we've got 12 dates, we're doing Wembley, so we're going to all be fighting over
Good evening, Wembley!
Yeah, woo! So we're
That's
just...
so good.
No,
fair play.
amazing. Now, ladies, a few weeks back we had The Wanted on our show, and we found out that apparently when Jay first met you, Frankie, apparently he just went completely nuts and started to cry.
Yeah,
now, was this
did.
as emotional for you?
No.
I can't say it was.
Right.
They'll love that.
He was lovely though. He was really cute. He just kind of, I don't know. I think it was a bit much for him, and he ended up locking himself in the toilet.
Oh wow!
And I had to like coax him out and be like, "Come on, Jay,
I was like, what is he doing in there? And he's like, she's like, oh, he's a bit upset because he met me. I was like, what did you say to him?
Dude, if you're watching, you're not coming across well here. But we love you anyway. I've got another question. Since though you're on Friday wind-up, who's the biggest practical joker in the band?
Vanessa's quite bad.
Oh, is she?
It's quite naughty, yeah.
I remember one time we were at a studio and this guy that was working at reception went off to go and get everyone's dinner, and he come back and me and Vanessa had sellotaped everything on his desk to the desk, including the phone, and the phone started ringing and he didn't find it that bad.
He wasn't
Funny that.
And Vanessa was like, ha, and he was just like, yeah, I need to pick up the phone, I'm at work.
That's a good practical joke.
You didn't like it, no.
Now, Mollie, you once auditioned for the X Factor. Does it bring back memories when you watch it? Because
It
you've
does.
obviously been there.
Every time I hear that da-da-da-da-da-da-da, I'm like, oh my goodness.
What was that again?
I know. Family Fortunes. Talking about X Factor.
Bring on Vernon.
And that's why I didn't get through.
That's why she's with us.
And Frankie, obviously, you went through a similar experience. You auditioned for S Club Juniors, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yes, and can you remember that audition at all? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, you can? Oh, well, you're going to be delighted to hear that we've dug out a clip of that very audition. Let's have a look at the clip.
No.
You're wearing a T-shirt that says
Superstar.
All right.
She knew what was to come. She knew what was to come.
And actually, whilst we were on this trip down memory lane, we may as well show everyone else this. Yep, that's a picture of Frankie in a dress. And let's show people this. Oh. Hey! Baby Frankie!
And anyone want to see a picture of Rochelle when she was younger?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah!
Go on then, if you insist. Let's have a look.
Okay, yours.
Nice jumper!
Yeah.
what is that Sam's garden. She's got that terrible, frightening...
It's a swan or something, I don't know.
Rochelle, don't try and take the shine off of
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
No,
I love that.
and the face on it.
I'm sorry, but at least you don't have a unibrow.
Yeah, it's true.
And Molly, are you ready to see a picture of you when you were younger?
Oh, no, don't.
Well, actually, we're going to save that for a little bit later on in the show. Because it's so good.
Yes.
We're teasers, aren't we? We're teasers.
Yes, keep watching for that, because we're going to be revealing some rather interesting facts about the Saturdays a bit later on.
OK, but right now, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Frankie, Rochelle and Mollie! Yeah.